Here's a tidy little video to show you how to set out the points. So, assuming the tool is stationed and you're ready to go, we have two ways of getting into it. Through the apps or the home screen, you can do layout, takes you straight to it, or you bring down the applications and it's on the left hand side there. Open up the menu. In this video we don't want temporary points, we only want the points, and the points are either created within the tablet or imported from your drawing or a CSV file. Now on this particular drawing I only have 4 layout points, so I can tap on them. If I tap close, it doesn't recognise any of the smart snaps, it'll only be the layout point. The circle in the centre of the screen represents my prism, and the crosshair represents the centre point. Once I get pretty close, you'll see that the images turn green. I can bring out the menu on the right hand side again and show dialogue, and what that does is opens up a second menu if you want it, which gives you some details. So point name, the delta to where the point was, so it says that was 2 mil, my accuracy was 2 mil off. It shows you the layer in which you can put it, so you can choose any layer. It's predetermined LP because that's where I created these points, and you can also put some customizable attributes in. Just on that, and then it's automatically jumped to the next point. So if I show that, just on that last menu, you just have to make sure that you press the tick to confirm, and that will lock all those details that you saved in. If I take that dialog box off, hit measure, it goes straight through, point is staked, and then moves straight onto the next nearest relevant point.